I will get my my tea outside in my garden because it's raining, so I will not water my plants. I'm gonna get tanlad or lemongrass, mint, papaya, and then the sweet potato leaves, because that's really good for and I will throw my garbage. So okay, let's go outside, my friends. I hope it's not raining outside. I hope. Oh my G, it's still raining. God, I have to put my raincoat. It's raining! Hindi, magkalo na lang. Ito na lang. Oh, it's raining! My gosh! What happened? What happened? What happened? It's raining, raining, raining. So, hinay ang tiguang. My God, ang sapatos ko hinabasa. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go there in my garden. Did you see that one? My tanlad. Like there. So, before I get my tanlad, I have to throw my garbage. So, hinay-hinay ang tiguang. I'm gonna throw my garbage here. It's really raining, you know. So I'm gonna throw my garbage right here. No, that's my plants. I'll get tanlad for my tea. Oh gee, I have to get my lemongrass. Where should I get it? The one that it's easy for me, so I have to cut here. Okay. And oh Jesus Christ. Cut this one. Okay. Ang dami kong tanlad eh. Ulang. Kasi isang tapos I have to get my papaya. I have to get my papaya leaves. Siguro isa lang. Ayan yung papaya leaves ko. Ito. Isasali ko yan sa tea ko. Tea dahil alam niya yung tea. And then kuha din ako ng talbos nito. Kasi this is very good also. That's it. Yan lang. And then mint. Kuha ako ng, oh, what happened to my mint? Oh my God. Dying na lagi siya. Ay, kaluoy. Namatay na akong mint. Siya. Oh, namatay. It's dying. That's my mint. I don't know what happened. Oh, Lord Jesus. Ano nangyari? Namatay talaga. I don't know dito sa kabila kasi meron ako dito mint eh. Sige na lang. Okay. It's okay. This is okay. Sayang, namatay ang akong mint. Ay naku. Namatay ang mint ni Mirna. Yun pa naman ang pinaka-healthy ko na nandoon. Namatay eh. Ay naku. Namatay man ang akong mint. ba yan? Namatay ang mint ni Mirna. Yun pa naman ang ano ko. Yung mint ang pinaka-healthy ko na plant doon. Ipatay. I don't know. The other day lang ako kumuha eh. Ay, magtanim na lang ako dito sa loob ng bahay ng mint. Okay naman dito. Pupunta ako ng Trader's Joe. Kasi maganda sa Trader's Joe dahil yung ano nila ay ano ba yan? Presko. Ito ang gagawin kong tea. Meron pa akong kamunggay. At saka ito. Tanlad or lemongrass. Papaya. Talbos ng kamote. And, wait. Okay. May beets ako. Cucumber. Isasali ko dito sa yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Tsaka malunggay. Yan ang gagawin kong tea, hindi ulam ha, tea. And then garlic or ahos in Bisaya, garlic. Yan ang tea ko, kaya tingnan niyo ako gagawa ko ha. Hugasan ko muna.